So as you can see here, the Dacura console allows you to browse through content on the web, and we can choose from a number of different collections that store different types of information. We can then choose a particular class with which we want to associate this information. Now, if we turn on our roles as a data harvester, we can then go and add a new element, a new polity in this case. We're going to add this, and the ID we will call Latium test, and we can add a label to it and some comment that goes along with this data point. After this, we can add any number of properties, and there are a large number of properties that are associated with a polity. Each property can be associated with some class or some superclass or some subclass. Here we're adding irrigation systems, and if you look through, you see that there is no irrigation system variable present in the current Seshat codebook or wiki. We can also add other properties. There's a lot of properties. We have alternative names. This is listed in the wiki as Lazio. We can add a UTM zone, which is also present there. And we can add a polity territory. And here you see a map comes up for us, and we can zoom in, and using the map on the wiki page here as a template, but it could be any web page, we can go ahead and define the polity territory. Carefully. Okay, and this is actually going to define a polity or a polygon for this polity, and this polygon will be stored in the triple store and can be searched, and from that we can derive other information like the territory in square kilometers, or whether it has overlap, or it can be used for geographical search. Now we can go back and we can see that this is now in the database, and we can ask for the various properties of this data point in the database for Latium test, and we see that it has irrigation systems unknown, 33T as the UTM zone, and Lazio as alternative names, and we can see here that it has stored the polygon for the polity that defines its territory.